All right, y'all. We are going to plant the green beans. Now, like I said, this side of the house is container gardening, and the other side is in ground.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right. Are you live, Booger? Who is that? All right, so I planted 3 in that container, and we're going to plant 2 in this one. All right, that looks really good, y'all. Now, y'all, I forgot what this is. If anybody knows what this is, can you tell me in the comments? Because I forgot to label it. And I've forgotten. Now this is another one of my cucumbers right here. And then if anybody knows what this is, because I forgot to label it, y'all, and I don't know what it is. So if anybody can tell me in the comments what this is, I would be so Y'all, this is causing me so much pain. My back hurts so bad. All right, and if anybody knows what these are, tell me in the comments, please. All right, y'all, so this is what I've done so far in the container, in the yard, in the container gardening. It's my fountain over there just bubbling away. All right, so this right here is a German Queen tomato, and I hope she's doing okay. She's getting new growth, but she feels really wet in there. And I think this one needs water. This is a Roma Classic. And then this one is a Celebrity Hybrid. Do you need water? And then this is another Roma, which is doing really good. These are green beans. And remember, I don't know what this is, so I need somebody to tell me so I can put a label on it. These are cucumbers. And I don't know what these are. Or these. Y'all, look at how beautiful the irises are. And look, isn't she beautiful? See what I was talking about with the pink coming in with the yellow? Some are breeding like a white yellow. And our banana tree, y'all.